Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a transactions file to QFX format and import into Quicken. We will use Bank2QFX utility, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start Bank2QFX and select a transactions file. You can select QFX file, OFX file, QBO file, PDF file, or QIF file. For this example, we will use PDF file. Review transactions before converting. Make sure you can convert in correct file. Before converting to QFX file, set QFX Target so it matches your account, your Quicken version or specific software version. If your software is not listed, you can select as regular QFX file. Make sure to set account ID and account type. If you're converting from multiple accounts, make sure to use different account ID for different accounts. The account type has to match the account type in Quicken. Make sure to select INTU.BID value for allowed bank. You can look up your value for your bank. You can use search. And if your bank is not listed, you can keep default value 3000, which is Wells Fargo. So if you're converting for checking account, make sure that checking is listed for the bank you're selecting. If you convert for credit card account, make sure that credit card is listed for the account for the INTU.BID value you're selecting. Make sure that currency is US dollars for Quicken US edition. For Quicken Canadian edition, it could be US dollars or Canadian dollars. To create a QFX file, click the Convert button. Confirm the file name and the file location. Now we switch to Quicken to import a QFX file. Before importing QFX file, we will be importing into checking account. Make sure the account is not connected to online services. In this example, checking account is connected to online services. It says yes for transaction download. So click Edit, Online Services, Deactivate. To import a QFX file, click File, File Import, Web Connect. Select Created QFX file. Link to existing account. Now transactions are imported and you can review them and accept them. Thank you for watching.